Hello everybody, how are you all? Are you well? I come to you today with so much new stock. In fact, it's not all the new stock that I've got. If you go to the website, if you are new here, hello to all my new subscribers. It's lovely to welcome you to the family. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you are one of my new subscribers, my name is Claire. On my channel you'll find jewellery and craft tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I do share days out because a lot of my subscribers are not from the UK. They like to see what it's like to live here. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And I currently have a 10% offer of a £10 spend. So I spent yesterday putting lots of Halloween and Christmas stock. Now I said to you I've got some different tools that I've got from a new supplier. If they don't sell, I'll use them. I will use them in a craft thing. But this one, and this is a crimper, and it's a crimper for your paper. And I do sell them cheaper than Amazon. Obviously there's if you take up my offer, there's the discount at the moment. Excuse me. Also new are these, and they are hemp cords. Look up hemp to watch what I say. I don't know what I can and can't say, so I have to watch what I say. But this is hemp. Obviously each card's different colours. Rather than sell them in the whole pack, I've split them up individually. Personally, there are colours I wouldn't use on here, and there are colours that I would use. That's me doing a thumbnail. So that's new. Oh, I don't have them to hand. Now, I don't have them to hand, but I think these are an absolute bargain. They're 14mm pearl charm stroke pendants. They have a silver loop, and I'm currently doing them at 4 for £1. If you take my offer, it's 4 for 90p. They're lovely. They are absolutely lovely. Chain, earrings, phone charms. So I'm going to switch the camera around and show you these new goodies of mine. These are restocks of the opalite cabochons in blue. I do these in mixed colours. They're 12mm, made of resin. They make beautiful beach themed jewellery. Then we've got these. Oh, if I can get them open. These are lovely blue shimmer. Aren't those lovely? So those are 12mm, also made of resin. Then we've got, these are swirls in mixed colours. I think these are 10 for £2. I've added so much stock. I've added so much stock to the website, I can't remember prices. I don't know what I'm going to be bringing out. I'm just diving straight in. Look at those cute penguins. These are gold plated. Look at those. So if you do make your jewellery, they're going to last for several Christmases. They will last for several Christmases. And that's what you want. You want your customers to come back to you. We have Halloween hats. Again, these are gold plated as well. The backs, really good quality. Look at these. Again, look at the quality. Honestly, I have to say, because I've seen some and they're absolutely rubbish. Look at those. Bat charms, aren't they cute? They are so cute. I love those. Oh, these are different. These are beautiful. and they've got the loop in here so you can hang something inside. You can hang another charm inside, put the gemstone, it's up to you. I've got some little reindeer charms, also in gold. These are enamel. Then we have ghosts, there we go. We've got some ghost charms. We have some haunted houses. They're cute, aren't they? Again, backs. I love these, but then I love cats. These are 25mm cabochon settings, so they will take a 25mm cabochon. You can add, if you get a clear glass dome, you can add an image in these. I've actually got black this time as well as silver. That's the backs. Again, necklaces, keychains. Oh gosh, this looks like me first thing in the morning. Witches. Look at those witches. Hee ha ha ha. Witches. They're nice and thick. They're again good quality, nice and thick. Oh, these are lovely. These are more expensive. I think I've got 10 of these, but I will be making. But if you do want these, but I plan on making some children's necklaces with these. Again, the backs, really good quality. Alloy and enamel. Just like before, we've got the silver cats. These are different. They're all heart charms, stroke pendants, and they are entwined. They're the same both sides. I also have them in gold. They're lovely, I like those. These are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. They are gold sun charms stroke pendants, and they have different colours. We've got they're like an opalescent, but we've got green, blue and a peach. That's the backs. I like those. I think they're beautiful. I think those are absolutely stunning. I'm really pleased I've got those. Look at those. Oh, again. I love, love, love. I love this. This is me. I love anything like this. Now these are gold plated, and they've got rhinestone centres, and these are actually available in different colours. This is the backs. It's very important to show the backs. Sometimes you get backs, they're not very nice. I have had these before and then forgot to buy any more in. You can actually get these in 925 silver. I've got a couple in my own personal stash. Obviously these aren't, these are just, I believe these are just alloy, but they're heart-winged pendants. Then we've got these snowmen charms. We have the snowmen, enamel charm. You don't have to say snowmen. Snowmen, snowman, snow persons. Oh, I always know them as snowmen. That's not me being sexist. That isn't me being sexist. I just grew up with being called snowmen. Oh, we have these. These would make good earrings or a necklace. But you would be able to stick to them if you wanted to put like a spider or a bat, something. I do have like white bats and things. I do have small white Halloween. It's almost like a nail charm, but you could put those on them. They are quite thin. They don't bend easy, but I'm not gonna. They're different. These are nice and chunky. These are spider web charms. Again, you can put a spider. You can stick a spider onto there. Glue it on. Make it your own. These are the pink opalite rhinestone hearts. And then we also have these. They are, again, they're not clear. They're like a light blue. I like those. I love those. Oh, these I am selling in a set. They come in a set, and they are snowflake charms, but they're all different. They're all different. Some are in pairs, I think. Or some in pairs. I am getting to the bottom. I can see the bottom, so you can go soon. I'll let you go. If you've stuck with me so far, thank you so much. More reindeer charms. More snowflakes. What do we have here? Oh, we have these are love charms. These would be great for her Valentine's Day. So we've got those in red, and we also have them in pink. These are lovely. Look how chunky these are, and they're double-sided. There's quite a weight to those as well. I like those. But it won't be long before it's autumn, and these are great for your autumnal jewellery, and these are made of copper. It's not all Halloween and Christmas. These are lovely. They're large wing charms. Double-sided. These sold ever so well last time. And then I couldn't find the actual ones. They were like really dull, the ones I saw, like an antique silver. But these are the silver ones. But they were very popular, so I must have to make something so people can see I've got them back in stock. But they're silver rose charms, stainless steel lobster clasps, and they come with 2 jump rings. But I did buy these as well. And I believe these are 18 karat gold plated with a stainless steel base. So I've got those as well. So that's all the stock I'm going to show you today. If you've got this far, thank you so much for sticking with me. So if you can like this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know which was your favourite. Which was your favourite that I showed you? Was you making anything? Let me know what you're making in the comments below. What country are you watching my video from? So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.